Welcome. In front of me I have the Motorola G71 5G, and today I'll show you a quite simple video just how to apply a tempered glass to it. So anyway, I got one right here. Disregard the name of it. It still fits perfectly, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. And there's the phone. Now, for majority of the people, it might be actually easier to keep the casing on the phone when applying the tempered glass, because I'm just kind of showing you off. There's the glass. When you pop it down, the sticker is getting in the way, so I'm just gonna kind of bend it backwards. So when you pop it down, the actual case of the phone can be used as a way to position it correctly, so it won't actually go over too far to the left or right or up or down, because as you can see, it should kind of stick in here because of the case. So it might be easier to keep it on. Anyway, now with the tempered glass, you should also be getting, there we go, this little thing, dry and wet pipe. To be completely honest, I despise this. You can use it, but the size of the wet pipe is basically as big as this little one square, so they're not anything huge, and microfiber cloth will do the job just well enough. So I'm just gonna throw that out. And also doesn't help that sometimes those wet pipes are completely dried up, so yeah. Anyway, as you can see, the screen is kind of a little bit dirty, so just make sure you get off every speck of dust, every smudge and stuff like that. You want to have it pristinely clean, minus if you have scratches. Obviously you're not going to clean the scratches off, but it shouldn't really matter. There we go. Now do keep the cloth around, because you will need it right at the end to just give it another one pass or two if any kind of speck of dust has settled on it. So just do this to get rid of the dust that will settle on it. Anyway, now we can pop the glass on here. So for me, I only have one side to peel. Sometimes you have two. One would be just protecting the actual glass itself, and the other one would be the sticking side. For me, the one peel right here, the thing that I'm going to peel off is trash, and the thing that I'm going to be holding, the hard one, is obviously the glass. So yeah, so I'm going to flip it upside down just so also no dust settles on the sticky side right here. There we go. There's my glass. I'm going to give it just one more pass or two. And the way I apply it is I first place it in a corner, I'll line it right here so it's straight, push it just a little bit down so it doesn't move, and then drop it. And as you can see, it's already spreading. Perfect. So there we go. It's completely perfectly aligned here. You can also take the case off. You can do this without a case as well if you want to. It really doesn't matter. For me, I find it easier to do it with a case. Sometimes when you take off the case and it's a little bit to one edge and you put on the case, the edge of the case will dig into the glass and kind of lift it up like this, making it a little bit annoying. So I prefer to do it with the case, but that's just my personal preference. Anyway, as you can see, right now it's completely applied. For some tempered glasses, when they were being cut in factory, they will have this specks, tiny little water droplets almost, and they're extremely hard to clean, but they can be cleaned. Just you need a little bit of persistence for those. So anyway, I'm just gonna clean this off. This one is fairly nice, so it doesn't have anything. And as you can see, there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.